Over the past few years at Food Sense Wales, we've been nurturing a collective of local food partnerships all across the country, and we're really seeing local food partnerships flourishing in what they're doing. Our role as Food Sense Wales is to connect up that local grassroots movement with a bigger national movement for change, which this year culminated in a residential workshop over 2.5 days where food partnerships came together to really collaborate and really work together on what their national vision is for food in Wales.
I think the shared vision should be collaboration and ambition, working towards really trying to achieve great things in food and farming and all the related industries across Wales to achieve good food for everybody.
I want to see a future where food partnerships are considered critical infrastructure for Wales.
I think the vision could really be something big and bold and beautiful that kind of changes Wales and puts us in the forefront of what healthy food could look like and what a food system could do.
I want to see future food partnerships going to the same goal, to the same aim, knowing where we're going, having our own vision and probably moving towards that with small steps but seeing a big goal somewhere in front of us.
I want to see a future where food partnerships work together all across Wales and the UK to transform our food system.
What came out really strongly throughout the workshop was a vision which is good food for everyone forever. People wanted a food system that is fun, that is delicious, that is nourishing, but that food system is also resilient and it's something that's going to last, that's going to be good for the planet and that's going to exist in 100, 200 plus years' time. For me, this workshop was really energising and it really showed how much opportunity there is to realise the vision of good food for everyone forever.